This video will show you how to change the date formats throughout your system using the Project Insight add-on Date, Number, and Currency. In this example, we're going to use the task list and change the date formats within the task list of your Project Insight. If you wanted to change your date formats from this generally used format here, day, full date, and then the time, to something like this, date and full date without the time, what we're going to do in this site here is we're going to go to the add-ons page, which can be accessed by the add-ons button here. And once you find the date, number, and currency add-on, if you don't have it installed, then you as a system administrator will need to install it. And when you get to the date, number, and currency configuration, you'll note that if you haven't done anything on this add-on already, the default will be United States system default. You can even see what the formatting is for that. And you can also allow users to override the workspace default, which is this, and set their own. Now usually we leave this unchecked so that users can't override this default that we create. What we'll have to do is we'll choose in this drop down, we're going to add a new custom formatting. We'll call this PI new. And let's go ahead and configure this. And you'll note that the English United States for both the currency, number, and date time are inherited. Now this is especially helpful for international teams who maybe you need to adjust the currency or the date, which you can change to a different country here. What we're going to do here though is change the date formatting for the task list. And for that we'll choose the advanced option right here. And for that specific option that we were looking at, to make the date formatting look like this, basically taking out the time, is we'll use some of these standard numeric formatting and date formatting from Microsoft. There are a couple helpful information links down here and how that exactly works and what the format specifiers are. But since we already have done that, we already know what we want to put in here. We want to put day, month, day, and year in that format. And we're going to make that across the board down here. These three fields will affect the task list and any dates for tasks. So we should be good to go just changing that right there. I'll go ahead and hit save. And now that save has taken place. So now if we go back into our project here and hit refresh, now those dates have been changed and the formatting has been changed, I should say. The dates still should remain the same. For more information about how to use the date, number, and currency, feel free to go through and creating a new format culture. You will have to do that for making a change, and then from there you can make any adjustments for teams that are international that need different currencies or date formats.